Good evening, and we are from Group 8, and we three are going to present on the parametric architecture or parametric style in terms of NABC. Next. So firstly, I'm going to explain on the origin. So parametric here is something related to mathematics, and as shown in the picture, James Dan on the drawing of figures of crystal explained the general steps for drawing a range of crystals and provision for variation using language laced with parameters, variables, and ratio. And Moretti also explained that architecture that has a crystalline splendor is also a sort of parametric architecture or parametric style. So the three images below is regarding the parametric style. Next slide. So parametric here means set of equations that express a set of quantities as explicit function of a number of independent variables known as parameters. Anthony Gaudi's later architecture exclusively consists of mathematical ruled surfaces such as helicoid, paraboloids, and hyperboloids. And in terms of ruled lines, booleans, ratio, and catenary isers, and the images on the left are the examples of parametric architecture or style. Next, with my
Okay, now I'll continue the needs of parametric architecture. So there are two needs, which is the theory of modernism was born out of the second industrialization with the mass production and standardization becoming characteristic of architecture and design. The field is looking more into automation, robotics, computation, and mass customization in the construction industries. So you can see there are two examples of our modern architecture and a parametric architecture style. So approach of parametric architecture style to solve problem. So basically there are two, which is one is the computation of parametric design is contextual, and one more is with the battle tools, which such as visual coding tools like Rhino, Grasshoppers. So there are around 7 benefits of a parametric architecture style. So let's go through. So first one is combines aesthetic with efficiency. Second one, accelerates design ideas, allows a complex design process, utilizes a ton of data in instant. The next one is seamless integration, automation and optimization. And the last one is complex geometries to simplicity. So next we'll continue with another friend.
Okay, thank you, Selva. So I will explain about the competitions of parametric architecture for the competitors. So there are basically two, which is a sustainable architecture, which is the green building. So for the first one, for the green building design, architecture style that has a minimal impact on the environment, which acts as a contemporary green building concept that may be new, but it has existed in some form. And also the application of appropriate design concepts, materials, and technologies in the form of energy and efficiency, and also comfort and well-being throughout the life cycle. And this, on the left, there's a picture of the Sydney, Australia 2013, which is the large, which shows the example of the large green landscape covers almost half of the building's facades, creating a living environment for residents with hydroponic walls and horizontal planters. While the second one is modern architecture, which depended on the utilizing novel construction techniques and materials like reinforced concrete, steel, and glass. This architecture style was very in, especially for the government buildings and also for the universities. And for the architecture style adopted for most buildings in Malaysia is modern architecture styles. So as a conclusion, so the parametric architectures are emphasized more on the design computation and mass customization of the structures or skins. Parametric design can be recognized as a style as we are in the transition of it and will become a tool in the future once the new paradigms are shifted into the development and construction industries. And that is all from us, and thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.